Now we will have single based answer questions. Okay. So which of the who will start? Sir, Dr. Sinchana,
Yes, sir.
take the first question, first
Which of
slide.
the following chromosomal abnormalities is most commonly associated with Down syndrome? A46XS translocation 1421, 47XS plus 18, 47XS plus 21, 47XXY, and 45X. It is 47XS plus 21. Try submitting.
Okay, next.
Which of the following conditions is inherited exclusively from mother? Fragile X syndrome, hemophilia A, myotonic dystrophy, Leber hereditary optic neuropathy, and Marfan syndrome. It will be
Option
X-linked
D.
dominant.
DD.
Who said
You
D?
have done. So
Hemophilia
me.
A.
Who said D?
Sir,
Fancy.
Sansi. It's a correct answer. Okay. Question number one is 47 XX plus 21. The most common cause of Down syndrome is trisomy 21 due to non-disjunction resulting in 47 chromosomes, including an extra chromosome 21. And second question is a Leber hereditary optic neuropathy. It is a mitochondrial DNA which is inherited maternally. So mitochondrial disorders are exclusively coming from mother. Okay. So Leber hereditary optic
Error.
neuropathy LHON is a classic example of mitochondrial disorder. Okay, that is one of the mitochondrial disorder. Now, next slide, Dr. Amrita is there.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Question 3. A pedigree shows a disease affecting only males. Affected males do not pass the condition to their sons, but all daughters of affected males are carriers. What is the most likely mode of inheritance? Autosomal recessive, autosomal dominant, X-linked recessive, X-linked dominant, Y-linked. Choose affecting males. Affected males, but all daughters. Sir, X-linked. Um, X-linked recessive.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Next,
Yes. Which of the following best describes the term penetrance? A, the number of individuals with the mutant allele who exhibit any signs of the disorder. B, the severity of symptoms among individuals with the same genetic mutation. Uh, Option C, the percentage of mutant alleles in a population. Option D, the transmission pattern of a mutation through generations. Option E, the ability of an allele to suppress the expression of another. Sir, option D,
The
the
transmission.
transmission pattern of a mutation through generations.
okay. So question number three, answer is X-linked recessive. That is, this pattern fits classic X-linked recessive inheritance. Affected males pass the gene to all daughter carriers, but not to their sons. Okay. The question number four is which of the following best describes the term penetrance? The number of individuals with a mutant allele who exhibit any signs of the disorder. So actually, the exhibition of this signs is very important. You answered as a C. Is that right?
D,
What's your
D.
D? The transmission pattern of mutation through generations. It is the when we say the penetrance, no, it is the exhibition of the signs that matters a lot. So the question answer is A. The number of individuals with a mutant allele who exhibit any signs of the disorder. Penetrance is the proportion of individuals with a specific genotype who exhibit the expected phenotype. Okay, so that manifestation is important here. Next, Dr. Sansi.
which of the following best describes the term penetrance? The number of individuals with a mutant allele who exhibits any signs of the disorder, the severity of symptoms among individuals with the same genetic mutation, the percentage of mutant alleles in a population, the transmission pattern of a mutation through generations, the ability of an allele to suppress the expression of another. Answer option A.
The number of
What
individuals with a mutant allele
mutant allele?
who exhibit any signs of the disorder.
This
Next
disorder.
question.
What is the primary function of the centromere? Chromosome protect chromosomes. Hello. Protect
Ah.
chromosome ends from degradation. Acts as
Mhm.
the attachment point for spindle fibers during mitosis. Regulate gene expression. Provide sites for DNA replication initiation. Store ribosomal
So what is the answer?
for spindle fibers during mitosis.
B.
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 Okay. Okay. So question number 5. Option is answer is A. The number of individuals with mutant allele who exhibit any signs of the disorder. So penetrance is the proportion of individuals with a specific genotype who exhibit the expected phenotype. Then question number 6 is act as an attachment point of for spindle fibers during mitosis. The centromere is the constricted region of the chromosome where the spindle fibers attach via the kinetochore during the cell division. Okay. Next, Dr. Sinchana.
Which of the following best describes the structure located at the end of the chromosomes that protects them from deterioration? Centromere, chromatid, nucleosome, telomere, histone. Answer D, telomere. A couple is
Next.
referred to a genetic
Yes.
counselor due to family history of heritable condition. The pedigree chart shows that the condition affects both males and females equally in every generation. The affected individuals have at least one affected parent, most likely pattern of inheritance. Autosomal dominant.
Yes.
B,
Yes.
autosomal dominant.
Yes. Why autosomal dominant?
Every generation is affected, and both
Yes.
males and females are equally affected, and at least one parent is affected here.
Correct. Correct. Okay. So there is no skipping of the generation. Both generations are affected. Okay. So question 7, telomere. Telomeres are repetitive nucleotide sequences at the ends of the chromosome. This protects them from degradation and fusion with neighboring chromosomes. Question number 8 is autosomal dominant. The presence of the condition in every generation, an equal male and female distribution is a characteristic of autosomal dominant pattern. Okay. Dr. Amrita, next.
Yes, sir. A 28-year-old woman is a carrier of an X-linked recessive disorder. What is the chance that her son will be affected by the disorder? Uh, Sir, option A 0, option B 25%, option C 50%, option D 75%, option E 100%. Um, Sir, option B 25%. That her son will be affected by the
Son,
disorder.
50% of her son will be affected.
50% of her son. X-linked recessive.
X-linked recessive. No, mother is a carrier.
Mother is a
So she
carrier.
will, she is a
So
carrier. No,
50%.
that X will go to one with the paternal X and other will go to paternal Y. She has got two X. No, the if the affected X goes, then 50% from normal X can go with the Y, then affected X can go with the Y. So 50% sun will be getting
Yeah,
affected.
will be
Okay.
affected.
That is why
Yes.
Punnett square is important. You just put everything and come to the, and please remember, read all options carefully. Then because sometimes they confuse, no?
Yes.
Next.
Hmm.
Yes. A 2-day-old newborn is undergoing routine newborn screening. One of the conditions being tested is phenylketonuria. Which of the following is the most appropriate initial test for detecting PKU in newborn? Option A, serum amino acid chromatography. Option B, Guthrie bacterial inhibition test. Option C, urinary ketone dipstick. Option D, plasma phenylalanine tyrosine ratio. Option E, genetic testing for PA gene mutations. So option C.
Option B, no, Guthrie test.
Yes, yes. Good retest. Okay.
Guthrie
Guthrie.
So,
test.
question number 9 is the 50%. So, in X-linked recessive inheritance, a female carrier has got a 50% chance of passing the affected X chromosome to her son, who will express the disorder if he inherits it. Then, question number 10, answer is Guthrie bacterial inhibition test. This is a classic newborn screening test used to detect elevated phenylalanine levels suggestive of PKU. Okay.